Hello everyone. In this video, we will have a look at different methods of factorization of algebraic expression. The first method we touched very briefly in our last video is common factors method. In this method, we find the factors of individual terms and then we look out for the common factors in these terms, use the distributive rule, take the common factor out, and thus we get factors of algebraic expression. So what all we do? The first step is find the factors of individual terms. Then look out for the common factors. And use the distributive rule to separate out two factors. So if I take example 3x minus 6. First I will find the factors of individual term. So here the factors are 3 and x, and minus 6 I will write it as minus 2 and 3. Now if I see 3 is a common factor, so I take 3 out, and then from this term x is remaining, from this term is remaining minus 2. And this way we have 3 and x minus 2 as two factors of the algebraic expression 3x minus 6. Let's take another example. Let's say I have 6yz plus 9z. Individual factors. Here I have 6yz, but 6 I am going to write it as 2 into 3. So 2, 3, yz. And here 3, 3, z. Now why I have splitted 9 as 3 into 3 and 6 as 2 into 3 is because I see a 3 common in them. And then this would be equal to, let's take the common. Let's look out for the common. Common are 3 and 3 here, z and z here. So we'll take this common out, 3 and z, 3z out. And then inside the bracket, what we have is 2y, and here plus 3. And thus we have got two factors, 3z and 2y plus 3. So this is the way we use common factors method to factorize algebraic expression. Let's now look at the second method, which is factorization by regrouping the terms. In some of the algebraic expressions, we cannot see a common factor in all the terms, but we can see common factors among a few terms. And maybe there we can use this method. Let's take an example and see how we use this method. So we have an algebraic expression 5ab plus 5b plus 6a plus 6. Now if we see all of these terms, if I factorize individually, I don't see a single common factor in all the terms. So what I am doing is I am going to separate them. One is this group and one is this group. Two groups. And now I will find or factorize these two groups separately. So 5ab plus 5b. I see 5b as common. 5b here, 5b here. and in bracket it would be, from here it will be A, plus from here we have taken 5b out. So is it 0? No. 5b actually means 5b into 1. So when I take 5b common out, 1 is remaining. So here it is 1. 5b in bracket a plus 1. Now let's factorize 6a plus 6. Here again we see 6 is common. So we take 6 out, and in bracket from here a plus, and from here again let's know that 6 is 6 into 1. So which means here it is 1. So now I'll again write them together. 5ab plus 5b plus 6a plus 6 is same as 5b into a plus 1 plus 6 into a plus 1. So these 4 terms I have now moved into 2 terms. This one term, this is second term. And here also I see that a plus 1 is common between them. So I can take a plus 1 out. And what I get? The remaining one is 5b plus, and here 6. So I have factorized this expression as a plus 1 into 5b plus 6, 2 factors. And this is the factorization by regrouping terms. Now, this is not the only way to regroup these. Let's see if we can regroup them differently. So I have written down the factors here, which we found using the first regrouping. Now in this case, now I am not going to group them like this, but I am going to group them like 5ab plus 6a as one group and 5b plus 6 as second group. Okay, so in this group, what is common? Common is obviously a. A is common. And in bracket, what is remaining? 5b from here plus 6 from here. Here, is there anything common? Nothing common. So now I will write 5ab plus 5b as a into 5b plus 6 for 5ab plus 6a, and for this it will be plus 5b plus 6. I'll use this like this. Now I see 5b plus 6 as a common here and here. So I'll use that as common. So it will be 5b plus 6, and in bracket from this term a plus, from here we know 5b plus 6 is along with there is 1 here. So that is 1. And we got 2 factors. If we observe, we have got the same factors. Here a plus 1, here a plus 1, 5b plus 6, 5b plus 6. The only thing is the order is different. But we know in multiplication the order does not matter. And hence we have got the same irreducible factors using factorization by regrouping terms. But please note, not all regroupings are possible. For example, I cannot regroup as 5b plus 6, 5ab plus 6 and 5b plus 6a and find the factors. No, I will not be able to do it. So we need to be very, very innovative when we regroup the terms. I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comments section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the YouTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.